One puppy done, I was there, you know, one True World TV, I'm there represent for the brand new movie. I know you see title, you don't know, so they want to call Unfair Aunty. People, watch the movie to the end, tell a friend about the bad movie and big up all our fans, them local and international, yard and abroad. So people, remember, you know, check out the bad product, you know, you understand Nelson's Natural Herb, you understand Powell's Wellness. I remember the place are located in a Savlamar town. Dunsbar River across from a total gas station. So people remember, you know, watch a movie at the end, tell a friend, one puppy done, whole team, understand actors and actresses. Big up on yourself, watch a movie.
Father God, may I beg you, please take me out of poverty. May I suffer too long, man.
Mommy! 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 Lental. Mommy! Maybe just... Mommy! 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 Mommy!
Hey?
Me a call you how long and me a tell us I'm late to work because... You know, we go get one new apron because the first one we did have it here and she said me to get one new one. I don't want the problem, mommy.
Shan, I don't even know how I feel about this. I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this now. I'm tired of poverty. How you know how you feel for people that we are building and finish house know so we live here. If they ever know where you go to the street. I'm tired of this, man. From my mother and my father drop out, I suffer. And then a little house so then drop out and leave, give me Melissa come and take it away. So I have to have my daughter in a paper unfinished concrete house. I'm tired of it. I don't even know what to do. You see Chelsea now. I know it's Chelsea. The reason why Chelsea are bad so and because Chelsea don't like me from where I go to school. Chelsea have a hatred there for me.
Mommy, listen. You see, even though I save and I work hard to go back to college, Mommy buy the car, buy the cook, I will take you out of this. I promise, just give me some time.
Sure.
I don't care if Chelsea not like you, Mommy. Me will work. Anything she say me to do, I will do it. If you tell me to clean your house 10 times, I will do it just to get the money. So.
Shan, I don't want you going your college money just for this.
No, Mommy. What do you mean by just this, Mommy? I have to make sacrifices here too. Mommy, I have to make sacrifices for you. I have to do it. Mommy, I think it look good for me. I cook on ground, give on dirt. But I don't know if cockroach crap on the ground at night time and I have to cook better. I can't bathe in one good bathroom. I clean good bathroom and I can't bathe in it. Mommy, we have to make it just have little bit of fear. Just little bit. And you will see, Mommy, remember, no man, I don't know no father, no, Mommy. And you are my mother and my father, you know. So I have to do it right for you, because bad to body, do it right for me, Mommy. Because if Melissa never come and take you us, we would have alright. We would have rich and live in best life, but at least we would have roof over where you know, say a family platform, we live in a somebody unfinished house. Mommy, I don't want you to worry about nothing, because you know me I got well this. I late for working on Mommy, but Chelsea have to wait and just know say I saw you go cause you come first, mommy. You know look the worry about man. I just want you to stop worrying of yourself. Look like them type you know too.
So where you back the way I carry work?
Mommy, yesterday when you called me and tell me say you had a hat, you run left that you know because I want to come over to come see how you do.
Put me
Bag
down,
I lease,
you know,
mommy.
I stress up. Alright, go on.
Yeah, mommy, me love you now, me know. Mommy, just know say me love you.
I love it to my daughter. Right now, me there, I'm hungry.
You hungry, mommy?
Eat today.
Alright. Look now, me a try see if me can done do when me most of things and by 12 o'clock and me I do can sit and get filter here.
Alright, be safe on the road.
Yeah, mommy, me go be safe. Mommy, take care of yourself till me come back, you know.
Yeah,
And nobody stress out and go drop down. No, me soon come. Yeah.
Father God, I wonder if me dey follow them and dash me pitney things that are better off me. Look how my pitney has suffer. I feel taking money with my safe to go to school just to take care of me.
Oh God. Jesus Christ. Me late Chelsea go kill me now. Chelsea go cuss you know. God. Wonder if she did it. Downstairs. Stress out about my mother, you know. Me can't bother, you know, man.
What time am I morning now? Look when the time I'm morning. This a girl and I reach and work it for a morning.
Mom, I know me kind of late, Mom. Mom, please, me beg you, please, me beg you. I did my mother.
Shut up, Shan.
Mom, please.
You 1 hour late for work. Where you coming from?
Mom, me did it over here to look for my mother, Mom.
What is the time? Shan, what is the time?
Mom, me 1 hour late, Mom.
So why you late this morning, Shan? Why you late?
Mom.
Again this morning, why you late?
My mother don't feel well, Mom.
Your mother? Me no want hear nothing about your mother and not feel well. You a doctor?
No, Mom.
You a nurse?
No, Mom.
Okay, so come and work 1 hour late. How much do you know you come and work late? You know you go do? You don't go on until me get fed up one of these
No,
days.
Mom,
You see?
please, me beg you.
I make you lose the work. You know why me give you a chance every time you're late? Because a puppy done get you the work. The money I may pay you and hurry come up.
Yes, Mom.
Shan, me tell you already.
Yes,
and I'll tell you again. You see?
Yes, Mom.
A puppy done make you have this job. Puppy done. And because a puppy done make you get waste so much time. Me no want you nothing about your mother.
Yes,
And then your mother make you have this job.
Yes,
a
Mom.
puppy done.
Yes,
Me
Mom.
no like that piece of trailer trash. Me no like that girl. Me no like him. I'm too big back. Me no like him. A matter of fact, I go and show you. Go over there and turn up on the land. Go over there and stand up on the land over there for me, Shan.
What you said, Mom?
Go over there and stand up on the land. Go on. Go right over there and stand up on the
please,
land.
Mom.
Stand up on the land
Mom.
for me. Go and stand up on the land.
Mom, please,
I
Mom.
go and show you something. Go on. Stand up on the land.
Mom.
Go on and stand up on the land. Me come in. Me wait for you for a minute, so you go wait for me now. Hold this.
Yes.
Hold this. Thank you. Hold this too. You want to put them down so. Take up on your foot. Hold your foot to your ears. Yes.
Mom.
You don't know after this, you know, if you come and work late again. You're going to know after today. Say me say,
Mom.
you must come and work late again.
Yes, Mom. Mom, me can't.
Stand up right there. Stand up and no move. Me time you. And you say this evening,
Yes, Mom.
I want me hour. Hour we come and work late this morning, I want you back this evening. You understand?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, wonderful. Nonsense.
Mom.
Shut up. Nonsense. You want to come and work as you have a likes. Every day you come and work, you have something to say about your mother.
But wait, what really are going on, son? Sean,
Yes, sir.
how happened me, so?
Sir, Mom said me to put the basket for me to come 1 hour late.
You 1 hour late.
Yes, sir.
Take it on.
No, sir, mom said me fi do it, sir.
No, I'm a sister. Me a talk to you. Take it on.
But you go make me lose the right.
No, she cannot do that. Take that off her head. You're 1 hour late, so she'll punish you.
Yes, sir, cause true my mother not feel so well. We go get something for her, sir.
Alright, here what you do.
Yes, sir.
Go and go finish do what you do.
Yes, sir.
Now go talk to her.
Yes,
Do what you do.
Yes, sir.
Boy, I'm tell about my sister sometime. Jaja. Chelsea,
Yes, baby.
you know what I say, to be honest, you dey do some things where me not like. While ago me a come from a bathroom man, me see like you have Shannon out the son and son with bucket on her head like you a punish her and she explains say I chose she 1 hour late. What kind of style that Chelsea?
What kind of style what?
My sister, you would have like if you in a fair position, nobody have your idea so. Shanna smarty daughter, you know. I think Puppy and who make Shan get to work would I like for hear say you have Shanna punish her.
Shut up, of your daughter.
My sister,
Of your daughter.
pan a big man meds. This is something where you keep on and do over and over and over. You know say you want wicked though.
Anybody here so much? Eh? You clean? You wash? You do nothing in here? Eh? What you doing here? More than shit and perch flush. Eh? What is that in here?
So true
And
me.
you come out. You come out, me TV. Where you come out, me?
Come about the wicked things them where you do to your little girl.
What me do wicked? You out there beat him, guy, why? Me take him water was and beat him down
So
there.
why you have her in a son?
And me put him out there.
You would like if you did have a daughter, like she, somebody do your daughter that.
And what again, TV? And what again? You done? You finish?
Chelsea,
But mother late. Every time Shan come and work, he mother late. I don't want to hear nothing about no mother and no mother and late. Me don't want to hear that. Me don't want to hear nothing about that big fat sour woman. Me don't like her. Me don't like that big fat sour swatty girl. Me don't like her. She sick, she go to hospital. She had to get a job and she have a role to play.
you have to have respect for people out there, Chelsea.
She have respect for me and my time.
Not because you is a boss and she a work for you. That don't mean say you have to treat her how you want to treat her.
You know what I'm going to do? When I day I'm going to treat you so. I'm going to put you in one apron and give a map bucket with the map. And sanitize and bleach. How about that? That the time you can't say me wicked, eh? Me ask you one important question, Tibi. Are your place or my place? Am my place, ain't it?
Chelsea, last time I checked, I thought it was coloring book.
Shut up, shut up.
Where they have a foreign.
Shut up.
Chelsea, you forgot to say a coloring book. I send him money for your work on his house and get people to take care of your house for him till he come. Remember say coloring book papers them not active like that, you know, when he can come and go, you know. Me and him might not be brother, but we close cause him have respect for me. Me have respect for him. Remember say I won't have the same mother and father, you know.
That's if you shut up, kind of for your business. Me and Coloring Book are brother and sister. Yeah, and me are brother and sister. When I can't leave it alone. What going on so between me and your business? What going between me and my brother Farry and for your business? Shut up, Baff and cool boy. You see Coloring Book can't come back here. Eh? Look how much years Coloring Book left Jamaica. Eh? 17 to 18 years now. Eh? And can't come back here now. Me know you tell me nothing. Shut up. I fit the place this. And when me say goes in here so, I you see you, Baff and cool boy. You see enter you see. Me a discipline Shan when he come and work late again. Eh? Like your mother when me appear or come up money, eh? And you go out there, go change when me left out there. Others when me left, you go, me I go make you do what me give Shan for do. Watch her say if I lie, me tell. You tell us I want to cancel and leave it alone, man. Too enough. Chat too much.
Father God,
Nonsense.
I beg you just lead my sister, guide and protect her, lead her in the right path. Cause what she had right now, none of that no call for, that no make no sense.
Alia? Alia,
Yeah?
can you come?
Yeah. Puppy?
Yeah, man, pop it on.
Oh, I gone.
There. Jaja youth. All gone.
I'm there, no, go and take rough life easy.
Boy, if you tell you the truth, you know, say, upon the work me they do and I take a little lunch break. Because some little waka service me I do now, you see me? Some yard to yard service and take a little lunch break and so me just carry some little things for you because I know you're good there and I eat nothing from morning. One chips here and, you know,
Puppy, that
biscuit.
if you ever know how me over here hungry.
I did all buy one drinks, but you never have no money to buy one for you, so I just drink some and less some for you.
Puppy, and thanks, Puppy. You always a try and help me out. Thanks.
Hallelujah.
Father God good, you know.
That is the greatest, man.
Good. Shan just not too long left for God work in the work where you see one get gear. And to hold me there and hungry, she said she have to go try and thief out something.
I see them forward.
I see they care. Thanks, Puppy. Them.
Alia, tell us something, Alia. And how far where I come from, you know. A way one part. You see, me and you on coloring book. Where I come from, full where I come from. And the coloring book, get a little bus there, jump out, go on a foreign. You see me? Go and deal with some work. Just hold on pan God, man. And one thing in Alia, me know in myself, me no feel like coloring book figure way. Me lose contact with coloring book, you know.
Me lose contact as well.
I hear what I go on. You know why the biggest thing why me know coloring book no figure way all if it take 1 million years. Remember, you know, when coloring book get a bus, you know, if you go across the border, you know. Remember for a year money where you save, you know, Alia. And you give him that the money there, you know, if you go across the border and go overseas, you know. You don't feel like coloring book could have figured way. I remember things hard for you, Alia. Remember saying, you know, see there, your mother passed away. And then in a corona, your father gone left you. And the house then left give you. Look at dirty Melissa storm there. Make your house blow down. You're there in this unfinished house, an abandoned house. Anybody can come in at any given moment. Oh no, sleep, you know, safe. You know, nice. But me just hope one day things can alright. You see me? Just go and hold on pan God as I tell you earlier. And that's why in a process too, me make sure I link Chelsea. Although I know you and Chelsea no plan peace align, you know. Make sure I link Chelsea and Chelsea make your daughter get to work. Remember when we go to school, you know, coloring book one of kindness man when we go to school, you know. Coloring book. So I don't feel like you don't forget we. But as I said earlier, when you work me there, I remember boy and say, yo, I make you get something.
Right,
you know what I say? Anytime you have money, I make sure I link you.
Me know man you always and never left me out yet. Puppy.
Never man, I want to say man.
The ratings that me have here right now.
One family and
One
me,
family.
you, coloring book,
And
one
then
family.
Chelsea, right now Chelsea over the good guy in cheap my daughter.
Alia, I know say Chelsea one wicked piece of girl, you know. Chelsea evil.
Just not
No.
like me from where I go to school. I don't know if I through me I talk to somebody when I don't know. Chelsea just not like me.
Alia, just stop chess past Chelsea. And you see all the brother with Chelsea have over there too. TB I want good youth. But I go back on the work. Just go and hold them because I want big contract me depend right now. I don't know if you know the people they must sell some roots and name Powell's Wellness and Nelson's Natural Herb. And them the people they had me a cut right now. You see me? Yeah man, I may have some local waka youth where me gather up and them a cut the yard. You see me? So I may direct them and tell them what to do and some style.
So I was at the place today.
The place there, where they have a business place?
Yeah.
The business place are right down at Savman, Dunsbar River across some Total gas station. And it on the plaza over across from the Total gas
So what
station,
they
shop
sell
number
there?
20. Roots man, natural herbs man, anything for all type of sickness.
Father, dear me, I find myself a black hole. Come like me, I forgot to
You need one of them, remember. Or me can get it for you. Nelson's Natural Herbs and Powell's Wellness.
Yeah, man, alright.
Me link you here.
Yeah, alright.
Hold on the Alia. Question. Something there on my mind from other day. What's Sean father there?
You know say Sean father no live here? You know there?
Hold on. I know where me I think.
No, you know where I think. No, nothing
You
like
sure?
that. Yeah, man, nothing like that. Nothing like that.
It sounds strange, but
Yeah, nothing like
Alright.
that. Mm-hmm.
Big up yourself. I want a nice daughter here. She gonna make you here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Why Papa don't know about Shan father now?
Why to be just mash up my mess this man? You see me around me show and come tell me what to do. Me no want nobody tell me what to do when me I do what me I do. And me
Why,
decide when me want to do what me I do,
beautiful.
how me I do what me I do, and who me I do it with.
Making money and do it right.
Sure. I feel me show this a me star show.
Chelsea. One Chelsea
Puppy
on the
Dan.
app. Oh, go on.
Good morning. What?
There, me there, and I hold that, my general.
How are you?
There, man.
What?
Big up yourself, man.
How you do round here?
You know, say I make a pass through though. I say I can give you one link.
Oh.
You know, say I sound look work me I do, but if it's true, I'm a boss for work me I do, so
Yeah.
me only go check and make sure say them on track, them a do the right thing.
Okay.
Yeah man, I don't know if you know the man named Powell's Wellness.
Oh.
Yes, I mean Nelsie
Them
as
selling
natural herbs.
herbs.
Yeah man, I feel
Yeah.
them place me a cut man. Not the business place, you know. Them yard. Yes, I mean I do worker service. And them style.
Yeah. That's one
So
style.
you know them?
Nelsie has natural herb.
Yeah.
How you mean? Look how me a glow puppy dan. Wait till me get all of my product. Me give me product them.
I feel them roots I take.
River Sav.
Yeah,
Yes,
right
Sabla
across
man,
on
right
the
down,
total gas station.
Then on that me I tell you brother.
You know.
Yes,
Them
sir.
product active man.
Yes man, everything for your work.
Yo.
Everything for
anyways,
your work.
Shan me come get a check. You know, say me pull her up on the work to get
Shan.
through with it. So
Oh, yeah, check.
yeah man,
If
I
ma
want
go
to
on
know
up
if
to
she a go on good or she a go on bad or you know, I want to know the work or she a do if everything okay.
Puppy dan. Shana go on great.
Seriously?
Shan is awesome puppy dan.
That's
She's
amazing.
amazing. She can work. She clean from top to bottom, right through every crevice, every corner.
Then that's why I know Session can do it, man. That's why I get the work in a man for her.
Best made me ever get in a long time. Respect her man as puppy dan.
Yeah, mean,
Respect
man.
her man. Me tell her, me go call her.
So yeah man, she inside today?
Yes man.
Call her no man, I'm
Shan!
talk to her man. Shan, I'm a little G in a man.
Shan!
And the little girl that reach 4 in her life, you know.
Come here baby girl.
So your brother good though.
Yes man.
Brother,
Colour
I'm a
book
little
alright,
G in a
man.
man.
Colour book good man.
And Tibi good.
Yes man.
Yeah
To be
man, I
alright.
want family in a man.
Body good man.
Linkage,
And I'm
you know,
mad
man.
for that. Shan,
Yes, ma'am.
puppy dan.
Okay,
What's up, Shan? You good?
yeah, ma'am, alright.
How is everything?
Everything alright, ma'am.
I can see that everything is alright. So differently though, how is the work that you're doing here? Everything alright?
Everything alright puppy dan, as me tell you.
Yeah, everything alright, ma'am.
Well, that's sound good so far and everything, and you know, I rate you. You understand? And as a little princess, you grow up. I just want you do good. You understand? You can further your education and you know your mother everything. But I rate the energy, man.
Shan,
Yes, ma'am.
don't you like your work, Shan?
Yes, ma'am.
Me know you love your work. Me sure you love your work. For you clean from crevice to corner, eh? From
Yes,
floor to ceiling, eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Me know you love your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man. Tell Puppy Dan, tell him.
Yeah, Poppy, she treat me nice and everything alright. I go so.
I can see that, man. I can see the love and the vibes and everything,
She
man.
good, father.
Energy match,
She
man.
good Puppy Dan.
Energy never tell a lie.
Yes, ma'am.
Chelsea,
Copy that.
sorry to bother you guys, but can I have a glass of water, please?
Oh, sure, Shan. Can you get inside and get 2 glasses of water for me, please?
Yes, ma'am,
Thank
sure.
you.
Thanks. So you're Shan?
Yeah.
Alright.
Puppy Dan.
Chelsea.
See me tell her. Good worker. She know her job and she
You
can
know
work.
what
She
me
can
did-
really work.
You know what me did feel link about though?
What's that?
From your brother fly out, you know.
Mm.
Much years now, you know. 17 to 18 years, you know. Losing contact, you know. I nah no contact at all for me, you know. Coloring book and me G. I'm a brother that. I must have asked you for your number already in Chelsea. I think around the 5th time this me ask you. You know a number for me, I
To
can
be
get a
honest, I
number.
can tell you something. Whether they change in telephone number because of some specific reasons, right? I hit me with pan to get back to me with the new number we have.
Alright, and soon as I get to him, make him know say puppy and I check for him. Cause I'm a brother that.
We can do that.
I'm a G,
Yeah,
read
wait,
coloring book.
A couple of weeks now, me I wait pan him, you know. But me know say soon contact me still, so
Yeah
me not
man,
worry
check
about
for
it.
him, man. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah man, enough respect here.
Thanks, Sean.
Pick up yourself, man.
Sean, thanks a lot, baby girl. Listen, if you're tired, you can take a break And if you don't eat anything yet, food in the kitchen, have yourself something to eat. Soon come inside.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to talk to Puppy Dan about something.
I like how you deal with her, bro, Chelsea. You deal with her good.
I respect our
That's a
respect
good
come
girl.
from, right?
Cheers to life.
Cheers.
Bad. Good thing, you know?
Yeah, man. Puppy Dan. As you asked if my brother number, I miss your brother, you know. I miss your brother so bad. But you know what? I just can't wait for getting paperwork straight. Just sort out the things so you can visit me every now and then. You can come to Jamaica and stay for a while.
Boy,
If you talk by phone the last time I talked to him, he no get you with nothing yet.
A long time I don't hear from Colin book gone, I don't hear from him.
Miss him, man. I want to see him come home, man. To and from, I want to travel back and forth.
But a good thing Colin book do still in Chelsea. When you send out and when you do and repeat.
True that still.
Mark, the gas done? Alright, may I forward? Give me a minute, may I forward?
Alright, Puppy Dan. Thanks for visit. Big up yourself, right?
I not give much work, but put this on the box, me, please. The Virgin call me, my worker call me, say gas done, I'm on and deal it before it rain. Continue to treat the young girl good here.
Alright, take care of
Bless
yourself.
up, yeah
Respect our
man.
manners.
Big up.
Jesus Christ. The fat boy Puppy Dan come and tell about him want my brother number. Want which brother number? For do what we? Because he ain't hungry now and I look money. I beg him, I beg. Give me brother number, I go to go and beg. I beg him, more beg. More beg money now. Go along with your hungry self, yeah, man. Sure. You see me dying trial, yeah. Sean. Oi. Wake up. You think I real you there? You think I real there down at sandals or beaches? You don't comfortable cock up asleep. Look where your foot there. You finish clean my personal room?
Yes, ma'am.
You mop up and clean up my personal room?
Yes, ma'am.
Sean, you don't have no dust mask. Where dust mask there? Where your gloves? Where your socks and the soft boot if you have and wear up on the floor running in the house? What me tell you say? What me tell you say when I clean my room? I don't want no germs left in my room. I tell you if you wear mask, I have to wear gloves, I have to wear socks and soft boot on the floor.
Sorry, ma'am. I never remember, ma'am.
I want my food you eat downstairs.
I don't eat no food, ma'am.
I want for you full of worm. And me no want to worm them when you gut. Feel like so they can't have no party down there so. In your gut over my food. You drink no juice?
Yes, ma'am. I did drink some juice, ma'am. I said I could drink it, ma'am.
Yeah, you drink juice. So I worm them in your gut, a party with my food and me sitting them. You don't know say never if you drink no juice, me never mean it. I pretend to Puppy Dan there. You don't know say me know why you name me sitting them and drink me sitting them. Yes, man. Me glad when Puppy Dan come here, you see? If you can check how well they work and what they go on with you over here. You never use a capital sense, you see? You use a common one. You got sense. I see say you got sense. Because you know what I do with you in here.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. Look here. You see couch where you sleep in? Me want to dry clean and sanitize. Dry clean and sanitize so you can air dry. I mean, you left no germs in my place. And when you come and walk, I know when you lay down in my couch, them and sleep.
Yes,
and you sleep, you come to sleep.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to sleep, you turn in your yard. Clean, you come for clean. You come for work. I see in there so dirty. I feel dirt on the floor and I can't see my face in the tile. So I want just to clean up when you're done.
Ma'am, I have socks, ma'am. How you feel?
I can't see myself in the tile. So when dirty, I be a smirk upon him. I want it to clean. Clean, I want it to... What you have to say? Oops. Hold on. You eat for morning?
No, ma'am.
You don't eat for morning?
No, ma'am.
Oh, me have some food in the kitchen.
Yes, ma'am.
For puss and the dog them. You can eat some out of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Nonsense. Stupid girl.
A place I saw nice. It's so beautiful, just like how me imagine. Upstairs and down on the flat. Hey sis! Hey sis, Chelsea! Hey bro! The grass is so beautiful. My God. Hey sis! Hey bro! Jamaica is so fresh. It's been 17, 18 years since I leave Jamaica. Now I'm back. First time I lock my gate. All these money that I sent to Chelsea, my sister, to build this place. It's so beautiful. Hey sis! Guess what? I'm back! Hey bro! Top shot and no miss. Them say we are rice crime. Eat fish. My God. So much grill. Oh my God. This place make it look like I'm still in foreign New York, Bronx, Long Island, Brooklyn. Oh my God, this place is so beautiful. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Never lost my way. Jesus Christ. It's so fresh. Hey sis! My God, what the bird make that jump right there? Hey sis! Hey sis! My God, all the backyard looks so beautiful. Time. It's so crazy, bro. Hey sis! Hey sis!
This is some familiar.
Bro, the place is so nice. Oh my. Hey sis! Jesus Christ, bro.
Brother.
My
Oh, yeah, come
God.
home and tell me, see, I come home.
It's a surprise, bro. Oh my God, sis. Oh my Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
come home and tell me, see, I come home. I could have come for you.
Give me some more hug, baby. Oh my God, sis, what's up? You okay?
Yes,
It's been
we
a
are.
while.
Oh, my brother, you come home and tell me, see, I come home. You not call
I want
me.
to surprise you guys. You don't look surprised.
Me surprised
it's me.
you, my brother,
It's
but-
coloring book. It's Amar. It's your bro, bro.
When you reach home, I could have come for you at the airport.
That's
brother.
okay. That's okay. Sis, the place is so nice.
You like
it's so.
it?
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, sis. All the backyard looks so nice. Shit. It's upstairs and downstairs. I know. I never know. Let's go inside.
Yeah, no.
Oh my
Come here,
God,
come with
sis. Yeah, bring it. Time. Shit. Time. Oh my God.
I dream around.
Jesus Christ, oh my God. Sis, the place is so expensive, it's so nice. Time.
I'm glad you love it. I'm glad I love you, my brother. I'm glad I love you. Welcome home. Jesus Christ. My brother come home. My brother come home and not tell me. My brother come home for him place. I look how me I own up the place. To come and tell people say you see me place. Me shocked in the bones, praying Jesus. What me I go do here now? What me I go do here now?
Go to your do that.
I
Coloring
want
book.
this. Timmy.
God,
Jesus Christ, my father. I saw the eye grow big.
Yeah, man.
Last time I leave, you just leave the suitcase.
So, you know, so I'm glad I reach home. I
God
reach home
knows.
safe too.
Brother, the place nice.
Yeah,
The
man.
place huge.
Sis deal with it good, man.
Yeah, bro, man. So I pray.
You know, say I downstairs, I'm saying I go easy back. Never know, say today I pull up.
Bro, I just plan to surprise everybody, cause you know, from the past 17, 16, 18 year, bro, like my paper them just come through and I can fly in and fly out. So I just say I'm gonna surprise you guys. And I can assist on the surprise.
Yeah, man, all away, man.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna go upstairs, Talk later, okay?
Alright.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Dying. Yo,
Tired,
boy, you know me act like me a child, but you know your dad for you know what 10, 15, 20 years when you work so hard and send you all of your money come to Jamaica. I know you can come see your money and look on your money. Look there. Eh? Look at my funds. Look at my US in Jamaica. My US is in Jamaica. Jesus Christ. Watch out. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. It's all mine. Jesus Christ. Crystal. Hello. Who is this nice young lady?
Good evening, sir.
Why are you doing that?
I'm the maid, sir.
You are the maid of the house?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Shan, sir.
Shan is such a nice young lady. How old are you?
Sir, I'm 17, sir.
17?
Yes, sir.
And you're working here as a maid?
Yes, sir. To take care of my mother, sir.
Your mom?
Yes, sir.
That is so nice. Come and give me some hug.
Yes, sir.
You look sick. You okay?
I'm not feeling too well, sir, but I'm fine.
Go and take a rest.
No, sir. Mom said we must not rest, sir.
I'm Omar. I'm coloring book. This is my place. Chelsea is my sister. I just fly down from New York.
Your place, sir?
Yeah, it's all mine. You even know?
No, sir. Chelsea says hers, sir.
I'm in foreign. I'm just flying down just a while ago. 17, 18 years. I just send the money to build up my place. So I get my paperwork straight. So I could fly in and fly out. So I just come to take care of some business and fly out back. Go and take a rest.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
No.
Thanks, sir.
Take off that time made stuff. Take it off. Father God. Father God, you see struggle. You see struggle when we go through. I wonder why some people that are foreign and are work and some people that are Jamaican call them and ask them for $1, $20, $100 and then tell them so they don't have it. Me I go make some people know, so you see people that are foreign and you ask them for your money and they say they don't have it. Appreciate it. Foreign you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs to make this possible. My neighbors, good morning. Hey sis! Hey sis! Where's sis? Come and introduce me to. Come on. I told you to sit. Come and give me some hug. Give me some hug. Who's this girl? She tell me she's a maid.
Everything in here for you. This is the maid, Shan.
This is Shan.
She's been keeping the place quite
Nice to meet you again. She said she's tired and go and have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat, please.
Sir, Mom said.
I said have a seat.
Mom, can I have a seat?
I said have a seat. She have to ask it twice?
Yes.
Why?
I'm responsible.
I know.
And I have to take care of your things. We can't allow everybody to come in here and sit down and sleep and mash up with something them.
I know, but she's a person. She's a human being.
Yes, she is my brother and I understand that.
So
But
you
at the
treat
same
her
time,
like a human being.
stand
Hey,
up.
anyhow, where's Tibby? Where's Tibby?
Stand up. Tibby,
Hey, Tibby!
brother, come here.
I saw your brother grow big.
Yeah.
Oh,
you want
my.
to tell me what to do in the house too.
I saw your brother deal with you.
But
Boy,
me have to stand
you have
up.
to sit with me, because sometimes the English chip in and
chip
sometimes the patois chip out. Hey, Tibby!
I have no problem with that, my brother.
So, where's my room? Where's my room?
Brother,
Yeah,
in room is your room. That room is the master bedroom.
that's mine, right?
That's your room.
It's okay, I'll take up.
Little brother, come. Yes. Come here. What you doing? Put those down, bro.
You gonna bring them?
Brother, you just come home. Welcome back home. The maid will handle it.
No, man, let she rest. She's tired, let she rest.
Yes, sis.
Big brother, come. You
Bro.
talk to him already?
Yeah, man, me meet him already since me I go downstairs. Although we are not the same mom, I'm the same dad, but yeah, my brother same way, you see me? And watch on man, thank you for take care of my sister, while your sister, and give a eye upon the place. Hold it for respect me, G. Sure. Remember, say me a Jamaican, you know, man, I talk about me can't carry me, you know. I want to you. Yo, top shotter is back. Woo! Boom, 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 boom.
Mommy,
Yeah?
how are you there?
I'm not back here, so.
Where are the bed?
I don't know, man.
How you look so?
I could have swear some see what there are people over here fences to look while.
How about you? No, Mommy, I don't think so.
No, man, I'm not blind. Around 2 times, I make sure
Mommy,
I look
mind
for sure.
your mind, I trick you or something, man.
Pretty much sure, so.
I don't think about anyways. Mommy, I want to talk to you, boy. You see? Mommy, right now, I'm tired, you know. I'm tired. Mommy, you see? The other day when I tell her I'm late, you know what I say? I go over there and when I go, I tell Chelsea, you know, say you don't feel good and that's why I'm late. Mommy, Chelsea make me turn up in the sun
What you say?
with clothespin on my head. I say, oh yeah, which one you don't like, you know, Mommy? Then now, after that day, my brother, me see her come from around the back part of the head and say, Sean, TB, say, Sean, what happened? I say, and madam say me fi turn up right here saying nice son.
So madam, you have to call her?
Yeah, me have to call her mom. And TB say me fi go continue clean and come out her son.
I want to know why Chelsea hate me so. Why
Then
Chelsea
mommy,
hate me so for a cheater so?
Then now, when I go upstairs, you know, and I start clean. Before that, you know, mommy, him brother forward. Him brother come and me lay down, you know. Cause him brother say me fi take one rest and me lay down, you know, mommy, in the chair and Chelsea wake me up with water.
Throw water in for me pit in the face.
Yeah, and say me fi get up.
See if me this strong in the morning, yeah, I'll go over there go show Chelsea something.
Mommy, right now, me feel sick, me tired, me fed up.
I can't see me daughter. I work here go now.
Yeah, mommy, you me come check pan to see if everything will go alright. Mommy, me tired now just because you make me do this, you know. But honestly, you know, myself, me need a break. I need a break, man.
My daughter, sometimes when something will go through in your life, we have to just stop it sometime. I know you're tired, because I'm there tired as well. I'm tired of this.
Mommy, I want to then they pop it and come check for me if me alright. And the woman a pretend, no, like she treat me good and sitting here and me just a fear complain because all a hug me up and a kiss me and me fried because she don't want to pop it and for me say.
Chelsea is a witch. I know she stay from high school days, that's what she stay. In front of big people, she an angel. She behind them back and one like a demon. Why? Before like, I don't know if you say man. Because Chelsea not supposed to behave so. I never. Alright, make you stay, my daughter. Hear me, I say no. Just go on to work, no peer, no mind. Just work. I know, say, how good. And I'll pop it on him. He come over here, you know. And I tell him, say, me a sick for another day. And he tell me, say, I go buy me one roots, so I said, I want place. I don't remember what place name. Powell's Wellness, something like that. He said, I go buy one roots.
Probably I want good. Yeah, me about a place in the mommy pan the radio, so they sell good detox.
Yeah.
And you know what they have weight fat loss, your belly in the mommy.
I know in there tell me but say show me can look up it and search up here cause no internet and there's something look over there now.
Yeah,
Abandoned house.
Mommy used to have internet. But anyway, me I go to work now, yeah?
Yeah man, alright. Me save me that and don't pay that woman they don't mind cause as much as how me poor and having me go flat neat.
Yeah, mommy, I feel so
when one seed.
I feel so when me reach one point in my life, I want one detox too, cause I not eat, I want to eat.
True, we know how much you eat, my daughter. I bet if it's food the quality done. By the way, where am I telling about Tibi for? Like me know say Tibi come and go sometime. You man his sister can't agree, so of course he move out and move in when he feel like.
That's gang at the city. What's the nice man? One in the future. What's somebody here? Some man look familiar, man. Some man look like a coloring book, him. Yo!
Boom, you're dead!
Coloring book! Yo, G!
You never know something?
Yeah!
You get catch! You see me I get walk?
Yeah, yo!
A Long Island walk, that you know.
I look at me and say this is
Can't
somebody
believe say you don't know something, dog. Yo, dog.
Can't believe you.
Yo, how much here?
17
17 years, bro. Oh,
Jesus
God, my friend, man.
Christ,
You know I feel, bro. To come back in your place.
May I tell you,
Jaja.
our place.
Oh, God, bro, man. Oh,
Ah,
God.
the love,
So
my
I pray, I don't have your place. Me say me a forward, you know. Come link here, you know.
tell you the truth. A day I'm there, you know. So me a touch on the road, you know. I want to go draw 10 grand and say I want to go left toes lagi Alia.
Go get who?
Alia. You know remember Alia, man, back in the days, man, when me and Alia normally par, man.
Alia.
Now she say, man, they give flight money when they dog go cross the border. Cross the border, Mexico.
Bro,
Yo.
Jaja and a youth.
Alia now go and good youth, me I tell you. Alia mother pass her, you know. Then in a corona, her father pass her, you know. And the house, so then left her with, you know. Me I tell you, say house
Yo.
blow down in a Melissa, you know.
Dog. Rain,
Show her blessings, you. Forward, my father.
Yo, bro, me I tell you something that foreign, you know, bro. Watch out.
Nah, man, a
All
few
them a
place,
thing and a
man.
hot man foreign, you know, bro.
So them go on, man, a few place, you know.
Watch out, show a blessing, you know, dog.
Yo.
Dog, you know, long it take for rain fall a foreign. A piece snow, bro. Why do you dog foreign something and jump out of the sky? And mash up people carrying them things, bro.
I lie. You know, so me see some of them things up on the news, though, youth.
Bro, it
And people are saying on my WhatsApp.
It happened to me next door neighbor, bro. Me I tell you, bro. Jaja youth. You think if a foreign me can shelter in a people place, bro?
You're mad, man.
We have to wait up in the rain,
When I get
bro.
charged, see that?
Charge. Police come take you out and ask you where you are, sir.
If a thief, you're a thief.
Yo, but a big man living in a puppy down. I'm glad to see you, no G.
What you mean, man? I'm not glad to
Nah.
see you, man. How much years, man?
Bro, I say I know my papers them never get straight. That's why I'm not connecting, bro.
So then straight now.
Me straight now, that's why I can't forward, I can't fly in, fly out, fly in. Remember saying no dog, we not connect, yo. We not connect, you know.
Long time in a youth. You think how far we come from?
Fury I come from, bro. Yo, remember when we go to school, you know, me and you know, Alia, you know, Chelsea, you know. And me fall for all Alia, you know, bro. And Chelsea never like that kind of feel like me not deserve Alia.
Yeah, because you know, left. Remember, say, you know, break up and say, yo, you know, go work through a far distance and stuff.
Yeah, bro, cause watch, you know. Remember saying, you know, when me get the local link, you know, remember saying a bad and me go cross, you know, bro.
Then me no know, man.
And our money where she has save up, you know, bro.
Engage it.
All him mother money him take away, yo, me say all him mother drop out, bro.
Yes, me I tell you, say mother drop out, man. And a corona, her father pass it.
Joe.
So they engage her.
Oh, God.
Corona, me I say corona, Melissa. You look at dirty star me blow through there. Me not like no woman named Melissa.
Jaja, you, Melissa.
I tell you.
Wicked girl, you know, cause yo, Melissa, threaten America,
brother,
what you
Alia
know?
get all one daughter, you know.
I lie.
What you mean? Alia and his daughter suffer, bro. Tell me, I tell you, man, right now, me I tell you, say, what abandoned house Alia live in, bro. And me I tell you, say, 10,000, me want to give her 1,000, youth.
Puppy that me no know if me tell you, you know, bro. Remember, you know, bro, when me get the link, we go across the border, you know, she give me her whole her money, you know, bro, watch. Bro, she make me live my life, you know, bro, all the way hard, you know.
Tell her, youth.
And right now, me feel like she feel like me abandon her,
Call
you
it
know,
say
bro.
she help Billy house too. Cause remember say she get money where you can go over there to go work and
Me
send back money.
suffer puppy dan. Remember say bright girl like you know,
No,
bro.
me I tell you,
Bright and me, bright and you and bright
The
and
house
Chelsea.
blow down, you don't know if you live.
What you mean?
Abandoned
Blow
house
down.
you live in.
Blow down.
It's time I pass through, you know, your boy it's time I pass
So
through.
hold on. How she live now?
One abandoned house.
What do you mean abandoned house?
One house is somebody like either come like you a build up one house and you left the house. You see me? So like she just stay in the place there.
So things bad for her puppy dan.
Me I try to show you, bro, and she and her daughter live there.
So her daughter gone to school?
Your daughter was supposed to go deal with college business and all, you see me? A whole heap of little things, bro. Tell me, tell me.
Yo, big man,
Whole
you
heap
know.
of things.
Me I show you a real still coming out long in Jamaica, you know, bro. I just show me no want the real people them out. I feel like me forget them and me abandon them.
Boy, me know, me lose contact with them, you know. And me I say, me know for a fact. Say, I this or this, me, bro.
Bro, you know, me I get a business deal of foreign.
I lie.
One brother named Powell's Wellness and Nelson's Natural. Me don't know if you die Jamaica, a natural herb. I want a brand there everywhere,
Hold on.
Jamaica and foreign.
What you say? Powell's Wellness.
Yeah.
And Nelson's Natural
Natural
Herb.
Herb.
Coloring book, me know the brand there.
Listen what me I tell us on G.
Me know the brand there.
Bro.
It is have.
Everywhere there, foreign, local, international. Either in the water, either out of the water, in a space, and either up on the ground. Either
Jesus
everywhere. If you're sick, if you have cancer, if you have sugar,
Yeah, man, they have all type of roots,
all
man.
type of roots. So what me I say now, bro? Me and the man link up a foreign. You get what me I
That's a
say?
Powell's.
Yeah, cause I'm watching a puppy. Me think no normal, you know, bro.
Me know,
I
man.
just me couldn't come to Jamaica, you know. Puppy that me sell drugs, me sell weed, everything a foreign. I know me straight now, me think me gonna legalize my business straight. So me and the man come to an agreement where me and him give me 30% of the business.
I lie.
So he want to open my location down here.
So we had to put the one the Lucy, cause one day I have, you know, Dunbar River.
Dunbar River,
Yeah,
alright.
man, across
Yeah,
from my total
but
gas
you know
station.
what I want, man?
Yeah, me I tell
I
you,
say
say me
real
know.
small.
Then me no cut yard for them, man.
What you say?
Me go a man yard, when you have in yard, in a Jamaica, yeah, me go cut them yard. And me do work a service.
Yeah, cut yard.
Well, I me employ some workers to do it, but I
Alright.
me the boss to them.
You want me to say now? Because me say, me just come set things straight and make the people them know. So coloring book, Omar, not done with them. I just sort out, me not sort out. Hey, Puppy Dan, foreign rough, you know, bro.
Boy, I'm here about
You see,
it.
you about the army, I saw foreign rough.
I hear about
So
it.
you want me to say now? Yeah, my dog, I'm a trust you. You never give up on me.
Never.
So you see 30% of the business what me I go have out here, and you are going to run that.
What you say a while ago?
Puppy, believe in me. The 30% when me have out here, and you are going to run that. You're going to be the manager. You, the manager. So me I go fly now, fly.
Serious?
If me serious, bro.
Coloring book. Respect, father.
Oh my God, man.
Respect, bro.
Easy, no, man.
Jaja,
Easy,
you with a
man.
long time there for
So
finding
you
you
are
out.
going on now.
Jaja.
Yeah, tell me, say, Ali over there, and nothing I'm going for.
Yeah, for real.
Countering, share your partner. Business partner. You call a shot, she call a shot. And me I call a shot from foreign.
Oh, so you go fly out back and go over to
Fly
side tour with
in,
there.
fly out.
Okay.
You see me? So, me sorry if it takes so long to connect, bro, but
I want to you, bro,
you
man.
see
I
boy
want
when
to you,
them
man.
chump a one bitch. Chump come like G-string, panty. Chump come like you have a ear and 9 teeth. Chump now run foreign good, you know, bro.
Nah,
One
run
night time
nowhere
I
good.
hide, me have to hide, you know. Me I sleep all in a tunnel, you know. You see all pan Bronx, you
Yeah.
see all of them places, Brooklyn, all in a tunnel, me I sleep, you know.
I lie.
I chew me straight, you know, in a puppy that me can go in a middle town, you know. What before me come in a longer like me there, you know. A party with the G them, you know.
But I real top see them over there.
I want puppy, you think me think normal, bro. You
You
go
can't
see it.
man.
You go
can't
see it, bro.
In all the house you have over there, I don't know if you have big money.
Yeah,
make
bro,
over
so
there,
you
man.
know. Where's about Alia now? I want to go give him a link, you know, bro.
Anytime you're ready, me, you can give her a link. Anytime
Alright,
you're
go
ready.
give him a link.
Alright, no problem.
Chacha,
there.
youth. Alia have a daughter, youth.
Yeah, man, you want daughter, man. Nice little girl, man. Little girl, hardworking, man.
Puppy, I show me never tell her what I go on, you know. What me tell her still forward.
Alright, my G. Yeah, my G, man.
Bro. Where somebody live here, sir?
Ali, I live here, so, bro.
Alia live right here, sir.
I hit me, I tell her. She want abandon
Bro, this place frowns, bro. Stink, mucky, bro.
Watch your father. Just brace yourself. You link Ali forward, but you can't turn up right yourself.
Oh my God. Can't believe someone live right here. This shit is crazy, bro. Time.
Alia! Me a good?
Yeah, me just there.
Well, today, it's like how me greet you a while ago and you greet me that nice smile. Me know say, this a smile and I go come off of your face right now. Me have one nice surprise for you.
Get
Nice.
surprise
No, worry yourself. Turn your back and stay right there. Me a forward. Don't move and don't look round. No, man. Stay right there, man. This surprise, they're gonna love it. Stay right here. Don't move. Hold on 1 minute. 1 minute. Don't move. You think you're ready for the surprise yet? Alright. Don't move it.
Alia.
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 Look around, man.
Alia. Coloring book, man.
Open and
I surprised this.
coloring book.
Him see man,
Yeah.
we're gone for 17 years.
Yeah, see him?
Yeah man, a coloring book man.
Coloring book.
Alia.
Coloring book. Jesus Christ, coloring book.
Alia.
Tell him man, tears of joy man.
Coloring book.
Yeah, man, me, man.
Wait. How coloring?
If coloring book fly down man, in the back in the place man, I tell you man.
Alia. Me, man. Coloring book.
How are you? So good?
Yeah, me good, but you know what I say, but so far when me see and when me hear, you no good.
None at all.
None at all.
No man, me okay man.
No Alia, you're not okay.
Alia,
Coloring book there. Jesus Christ.
Alia, this is what me I say now. I try to explain and tell us from where I go to school, we never lie to each other. We always there for each other. Me, you, Puppy and Chelsea. Although Chelsea is my sister and she corrupt and she bad mind, me understand that. But me still love her.
True.
She never like you, none at all, just because me have a relationship. She feel like me value more, like me not deserve you. Like you never deserve me. And when me come see, no disrespect, me can't believe so yes you live. I mean I'm downgrade you.
No, but me have to just
Me hear, listen, me hear all the way you go through. Me hear say from me fly out 17, 18 years ago, your mother drop out. And then your father drop out. And Puppy done tell me say all Melissa blow down your house, that's why you have to there, son.
Vera man.
Yeah, man.
Vera.
Just have to just.
You remember 18 years ago, when me tell you say me get the break to go up and to go across the border, a year savings you take out and give me to go across the border.
Really?
And you make me be the man me is. And you make me can build an upstairs and downstairs house.
True.
And you make me go make crazy money and foreign.
No life.
Yeah man, you also Chelsea have a mind. I just show me lose connection.
At your house. And Chelsea.
Same place man.
And one more thing I want to tell you too. I don't know if Puppy than you know, but I beg you, please, I apologize. Remember 17, 18 years ago, when you give me the money and tell me to go on a foreign to go make a life for me and you also tell me, say you're pregnant. And I tell you, say, I cannot handle that right now because I got foreign go look better. I want you to dash your belly there, throw away that belly, get rid of it. Where better can come for you. I'm sorry, I have to tell you, say, if you dash your first child, I apologize. I also hear say you have a daughter, a second daughter.
Well, coloring book. Me never dash my first child. Shana, my daughter. Shana work over Chelsea.
Who are your daughter?
Shana.
Shan.
Me I work with Chelsea, when Chelsea are in cheat or Chelsea dash water in her face, make she turn up in a hot sun with bucket on her head, kick her there. So Chelsea will not treat me pretty good because she don't like me.
Puppy Dan, you know say Shan and my daughter you never tell me.
Coloring book. Listen man, let me explain. I never 100% know, but me 50% know. Me have an idea. You see me? And I did say me that go tell you, but Alia tell you before me.
Shana, your daughter.
That a Shani over here right now. We are the maid
Shan
work.
want do maid work over my house.
I know say you're.
So Puppy Dan, you know say Chelsea are in treat. I ill treat Shan throw water in her face and you not tell me.
Coloring book to tell you the truth. I first news to me about this ill treatment stuff.
Alia, what you tell me say? You tell me say 17, 18 years ago, when you give me the money and say if you go on a foreign, I make life for me and you the belly, where you say you're pregnant and I tell you if you dash red.
I'm not sure. I keep my baby. I'm a baby there, help me out now. I'm sick most days as she up here on a pan done. I couldn't go through with it.
Jaja.
Me know me trying to tell you, but me lose contact with you. You forget me. Me just don't know what to do. So me just not say nothing for you.
No, chill. No, Alia. No, sorry. I know your fault. And my fault. Because sometime in a life, some people and some people are meant to be in your heart. True. Father God, we must go back together. And the service of the bless your child. And see the child in the bless her. She had the happiest person in my life right now. Never known, never need.
Bobby and Chelsea even know saying niece so much.
Chelsea, my daughter like that, who her niece, and all what she don't know is her niece, it no matter.
No matter.
Chelsea
Still
do not treat
deserve that.
nobody like that. Everybody. Alia, just stay right here. Soon come.
How are you?
Me take a rest, ma'am.
What kind of rest?
And drink some water.
You could crew a bit. What kind of rest? I water you so I drink. Who give you water?
Coloring book say me must drink and rest when more, ma'am.
Coloring book say me drink and rest, mama. You go in my fridge with your germs yourself.
I know your fridge, mama. Coloring book fridge, ma'am.
Shut up your mouth. What kind of coloring book? Hey girl, crew a bit. Make your water. I feel your water. Are you buy? And a privilege. Look here, where you going in my fridge? I know where you're going in my fridge with your germs yourself, mongrel. Go throw up, but you throw no water, but coloring book something. When I drink no water out of my fridge. Are you me a talk to? Get up. You sit down in a place like office. Office there, I work. Office work, come on.
No, ma'am.
But you sit down comfortable and rest.
Ma'am, coloring book say me for rest, ma'am. And if you take a break, ma'am, I turn back and hurt, ma'am.
Coloring book, so you take a rest, your back and hurt you.
Yes, ma'am.
Shut up! A coloring book give you work or me give you work?
Are you give me right, ma'am?
Oh.
Coloring book say a film place and make you rest anytime more and take a break, ma'am, and drink anything more, ma'am.
Oh, you have to drink anything. Oh, so you have to near man drink what you sit them in a place, eh?
Yeah,
and sit down and sleep.
Instead just come for a friend, ma'am, so we must drink and eat whatever.
Just come from fire, ma'am. You want water for drink?
Yes, ma'am.
You want water for drink? Hey! Drink it! Mister for drink it.
No, ma'am, we can't drink this, ma'am. You spit in a cup, ma'am.
You spit in a cup, ma'am. What you want for drink water, you get. Drink it!
Can't drink this, ma'am.
You can't drink, but you want short time. You sit down all day time and sleep all day. I work you come. Mister for drink your water, that me say. Drink it!
You would have like no one spit in a cup and get for drink.
Oh.
Why you have a little girl up here drink water for? She said she thirsty and she go get some water. Why you do that?
You again, TD, you again. Every time you see me a discipline, my worker, you see? You jump in. Eh? Nobody send call you. Which door you walk through coming at this? Nobody invite you out
You would have
here.
like if nobody do that to you.
You see, last time you discipline Sean in, you take up your head and I talk to you about it. And you come back and do it again.
Chelsea, me tired of this. Over and over you keep on doing this. You can't ill-treat the little girl like that. You continuously do it over and over. You have to stop it.
You chat too much. When you can't say you have to leave it alone. I tell you last time I discipline no worker. So enter you see me a dark to her again and you pushing your big face in it, eh? And you go get it, come. Drink it.
Chelsea, even though me and your brother and sister, before me drink that, leave your place.
So if you want to leave, you no go on. See the door there. Galang.
Come on. Let her go. You see, if you are never my sister,
What you do?
mash you up.
Mash up who?
I'm tired of you.
Bust up your
I'm
face.
sick
Mash
and
up who?
tired of you.
Come on, tell me side, I get out of my vision. Nonsense. If you ever wing on my pipe side, foolishness. Tell you see me a discipline my work and you want to come. You feel like I can't run up in this?
I'll go over me already. Pop it down. I go outside. I'm ready forward.
Alia. Yeah, man, everything go good, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Here.
Boy, mommy, if I never hear you, mommy, boy, I'm so tired. Mommy, if I never did for help you, I'm not take them a disrespect you. I'm tired of this respect. I'm just tired of every day same thing.
Sean. You don't need to stay in this, you know, Sean. You're a bright girl. You have an educated, you left school to do much subject. It's just like how I now stay in this. You can do the same. Them a work here. I no work for you with them the subject the way you left school with. Better worker than this out there, Sean. You're not ugly. Whole heap of opportunity out there. So see me I go, you can also go too. So just can't take it no more. Hope you wise up and do the same. See you soon.
Look good though, me not lie.
Yeah, man. Me see you here? Alright, later. Remember what I tell you, say, hold on pan God. Alright.
Yes, Father God, thank you. Father God, I can't believe this coloring book really never forget me. Coloring book there.
Tell about people youth. See your family stay. Family is a hell of a thing in a youth.
Oh, I go on, I want to your family.
Yo.
Oh, yeah, the runway, I want to you.
Now your sister put me out coloring book.
My sister, Chelsea, why your sister?
She put me out cause me not like how she a deal with the maid that a Shan. Me not like how she a ill treat her, she a punish her.
No.
She not feed her.
No, what you said, Chelsea ill treat the maid that a the Shan. Nah feed her. And what again him a do?
But I'm tell her this coloring book. You see what here before you come?
Yeah,
Before you forward.
before me forward, yeah.
Yeah, correction. You know say Shan 1 hour late. You have Shan out the door in a sun at wall up
Meaning Shan come and work on in 1 hour late.
late. Have Shan out the door in a sun, right? 1 foot set so and basket pan head with clothespin and set so and wall if about 3 hours straight. And me have to come out there and take it down.
Chelsea make the maid that a Shan 1 hour late him have him in the sun.
No, she 1 hour late for work.
Yeah.
So she punish her for 3 hours straight.
Jesus Christ, Father God.
You
No,
say-
sir.
So I feel if you girl, you know,
And because you talk to her, she begs.
and put me out.
So,
Even before you forward, I go say, yo, the house a fee, man. I'm glad all your paperwork them not come through and really.
hold on. This a house here? I said, this a house here for him?
And that she a say.
Tibi, you what me a say? You and Chelsea, a brother. You and Chelsea, brother and sister. Me and you are no brother. You see me? Different mother, different father. But you show me respect, me know you from you young. And me show you respect. Chelsea, run you out of my place, now me I invite you back if you want to stay in my place.
No, sir,
As long as you want. You good?
I go up for me so I go burn off for a week.
You go up a country, go kill half a week. Alright, you what me I say? A lot of things when me want to talk about, you me not have the time. Me I open my business down here, a puppy that I go run off it.
Yeah.
So, me I give you my number. Also, you think you have puppy that number already.
Yeah,
so if you not burn off a week and you want some call me or call puppy dan. You heard about Nelson's natural herb?
Yeah, man, me see it on the media, on YouTube and
Right,
everything.
people who have sugar, cancer, anything. So, puppy dan I go run off, because I have 30% in the business. So, puppy dan I go run off my 30% down here. One more thing. Did you know that the maid where Chelsea are treat like a shit and I deal with him like him is someone from in the toilet? Did you know that that girl is my daughter? One of Chelsea knows I'm niece. And it no matter if I'm niece or a stranger, you don't deal with people like that, bro.
Are you what?
It shocked you. Imagine me, we just find out that she's my daughter. Alia daughter. My daughter. What Chelsea, she's around here?
Yeah, she around the shop upstairs.
Alright, tell you what. Connect here, the number 52 82 21 90. That's our first part I number. The second part at 352 82 21. That's my number. Call me and connect here.
All
Big
right.
up yourself.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, as you just calm down a country for the 1 week, connect. You see me? Respect here.
Alright. Big up yourself.
This house where me build, brick by brick with white sweat, my money when me send down. Come get Chelsea and say, Bill, bless me. Oh, so true, me tell you something now, look about my papers them yet now. You want me place? A lucky thing, so me never tell us my paperwork come true. I see me fly down, come give a surprise. Me I give you one more surprise. Rubbish. Pick up. Yeah, hello, pop it on.
Yes, coloring book.
Yeah, man, this is coloring book.
Yeah.
Tell me something. You live by Chelsea, what this damn girl, you live by Halia place already?
Yes, boss.
You live?
Yeah, man.
Pop it on, please, I'm asking you. Could you please go back and bring Alia by the mansion?
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, just please bring her right now.
Alright, ASAP.
Okay, thanks. Where is Chelsea? Where is Chelsea? Oh, Sean,
Yeah?
why you crying?
I'm not cry.
Yeah, you're crying.
No, I'm not crying. I just go switch what me have.
From me, I come up the stairs, me hear you crying. And see you wipe your tears.
I look a sore throat me have, man. I don't feel so good.
Sean, you just know me. Maybe 24 hours. You wanna lie to me?
No, I'm not like you.
Can I sit right there?
Yeah, sure, man.
You look a short of time, you know me, Sean. Me look or you think I'm a bad person.
No, sir. I don't think you're a bad person, sir.
Please, call me coloring book or Omar. That's alright?
Yes, sir. Yes, coloring book.
Okay. Alright, good. You know what is a bad person, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know when a person is a bad person. So you know the difference between good and bad.
Yes, sir.
So, I will repeat back myself again. Am I too close to you?
No,
You uncomfortable?
No, you're good, man.
Alright. So, I will say it again. Why you crying? Just think of me. Question, what about your dad?
I don't know my father, sir.
You know your father?
No, sir.
I make that stay. What about your mom?
Mom, they want, sir.
Your mom close?
Yes, sir.
You comfortable?
No, we're not comfortable. We live in a one abandoned building, sir.
Just leave everything to God. God will work it out. But just reason with me like how you reason with your mom, you can't tell him anything. So I'm going to ask you again. Why you crying? If you can't tell me anything, just believe in yourself.
I take this work for send myself go to school and for finish up college. But your sister, sir, I don't know what she have with me or what she have with my mother.
My sister that at Chelsea, right?
Yes, sir. She just spit in
Remember,
one cup.
Omar coloring book.
Okay, Omar. Chelsea just see me round on the veranda, take a break. And I tell her, say, if you take a break, and she spit in her cup when I drink water.
Chelsea spit
And tell me to drink it, sir.
and tell you to drink his spit.
Yes, sir. And Tibi come and attack toward the
Tibi, that's him brother?
Yes. And
Chelsea brother?
And I tell her, say she cannot do that. And she run out Tibi, sir. Through Tibi no drink the water either, sir.
Question. How long you working here? Couple years.
Yeah.
And how long all the way you tell me say I go on right now?
From
Why
the
you hiding?
moment I get the work, but me just hold it out because I'm mother.
Why you come morning, evening and noon to come and do this work? Why?
Because I'm mother, sir. She sick.
So all of the tribulation where you go through, all of what Chelsea I treat you, you do it because your mom. Sean, you're a nice girl. I don't know your father, but I know your mom. But you're a nice girl. I take it off of your mom So the courage you have, although you don't know your father, you take it off with your father. You're not gonna ask me where I know your mom from.
Where you know mom from, sir?
Alright, me just cut it fast and quick. You know Puppy Dan?
Yes, sir.
You also know Chelsea, my sister, the wicked.
Yes, sir.
And you also me know coloring book.
Yes, sir.
And you know your mom, Alia. She's a nice person. One time, 4 of us was going to school. Me, Puppy Dan, Alia, Chelsea. And coloring book fall in love with a nice lady. The brightest girl, the sweetest girl. 17, 18 years back. And then coloring book get a chance, a privilege to run with a foreign, go through the border. Never have no money. You know who give me the whole line savings to send me to a foreign? The brightest, nicest girl, your mom, Alia. You know the weirdest thing? During that time when she give me that money, she tell me that she's pregnant. And when she tell me that she's pregnant, me coloring book, me Omar tell her, say, if you throw it away, then me I got a friend go look better for me and her. And that belly, that child I go hold on her. And I got a friend go do 17, 18 years. And forward back at Jamaica the time when you see me flying. And only if you find out, say, the belly, when me tell that lady, we throw away, she never throw it away. And that child grew up and I go through a lot of tribulation. She go through a lot of man and her mom. But all of that gonna change. Today.
Sir.
Yes.
At one time I know my mother ever get pregnant and I with me, so I mean you talk about, sir?
You know you're smart. You're very smart.
So sir, yeah, my father, sir.
Let me want to cry right now. Look in my eyes. Only the tears left to come. Sorry if I tell you this way. All the tribulation where I go through, Shan. I'm your dad. I never know that I'm your dad. When me tell your mother to throw away the belly, your mother didn't throw away the belly. And since me come, I realize that you're my daughter.
Sir, I give Chelsea sir, I'm leaving, finish. Sir, listen.
Shan, stand up. You know you're shocked, just like how I'm shocked. See all of the tribulation that I go through.
No, sir, you're not for the that.
Shan, please stop calling me sir. Call me Omar.
Okay, Omar, you're not after
Shan,
that.
you cannot call me. I cannot tell you to call me daddy, because you just know me. Your mama gonna tell you everything. All of what me I tell you, she gonna make it right. But right now, me have one problem. Me have one rat in my house and me need to get out. And all of what you tell me, Tibi, Puppy Dan, that rat have to go. How long you wear this for?
Wait, every day.
Hold it. Can you help me get out this rat, please? Can you help me get out this rat out of this house?
My rat in the house, sir, come clean every day.
Don't worry about that, man. The rat in here, but you don't realize, you soon realize. After you, please. Chelsea! Chelsea! Chelsea!
Yes, brother.
Chelsea. You know, say you're my sister. I'm proud of all of what you do for me. Everything what you do for me. From I leave here now, 17, 18 years ago. From I leave here, I don't have me tell you. But I know say yo, from you go to school, me, you, Puppy Dan, Ali, I know say yo, you're a corrupt person. You don't trust people, you don't give people space, and you don't give people chance. But I say all of that, we said it. I feel like you grew up, you know, sister. I feel like you left all of them look dirty style behind you.
Brother, where you come off from? Where you are based off from right now?
Alright, let me explain where me come
It's
from.
the book. They your father.
Puppy Dan.
Nah, invade.
No man, it's a privilege, it's a pleasure man. You can't come right here to come stand up man.
Alright.
And also, Alia.
What is that big back tough one you do over here?
You have a problem with me?
A matter of fact, it's a tough back one year. She have all the right for the year, so. As much as you have. But anyway, let me just ask you a question, my sister. Where's Tibby? Come here, look at me, just say Tibby. Everyone is here. Where's Tibby?
Tibby gone home. He said tired of down here, so I'm go home.
You sure say Tibby gone home because him saying tired of down here? Me I go ask you again, sis. You sure say Tibby gone home because him say him tired of down here?
And that me say, bro. And that me just say.
Chelsea, I don't know if you never lied to me before, you know. But now you prove yourself say you lied to me. I mean, I say the reason why you wanna lie to me. You know, say me on my way coming over here because me hear some story about you. And if the person them when tell me a stranger, I don't believe. You know, say me meet Tibby in the yard I leave. And me ask Tibby why am I leave. And Tibby also tell me say the reason why I leave because you, my sister, throw him out. How can you throw out your brother? Why you throw out your brother, Chelsea?
Okay, so you just tell us me throw him out. You not tell her nothing else.
No, but me I wait for you to tell me.
Alright,
when
my
him
brother, let me tell you. Since everybody want run for your place, and me decide say rules and regulation, and nobody want live up to standard and my rules, yes,
Hold on,
go.
1 second. What do you mean your rules?
Then brother, if me never have rules and regulation and run a place, I think you let foreign come and see this a nice quality place here. It a pop
Sister,
down.
I know business me I run our house.
Yes.
So you throw out your brother because the maid who work here, the maid is a person. He's a human being just like me and you, Puppet and Alia and Tibby were gone. And you throw out your brother because you ill treat the maid. You are spitting a cup of game water. You are making turn up in a sun. You are telling him to not eat, to not go in your house. Not what kind of style that sis?
Tibby decided to live my own big man.
Because you run him, you give him an option. Because the foolish way you doing up to it, so you give him an option and he leave and want to leave too.
So brother, if you run him down and lift him up and put him back in the house, if he decides he want to leave, he's free to go.
You know, so me I give you a chance to come back to yourself, but here we go on. I realize, say, not only that, you never want me to come back to Jamaica because my paper them never clear up. You really want me to stand afar until me dead and I just me hash this come back here where you could have keep this place. Come here and tell people say your place. And one more thing. I know you not like Alia. The whole of the school, me Alia Puppet and you know say this a maid, this a girl here where you treat like my piece of filth, in my piece of grass, in my piece of leaf. You know say this girl is your niece? Oh, you're shocked. This girl is your niece. Me ask you a question, sis. You remember 18 years ago, 17 years ago, when me go foreign, me tell her say, Alia, give me the whole of the money for go foreign. You remember me tell her say, Alia tell me say I'm pregnant and me tell him say, dash it. Sis, me sorry, but Alia just inform me say, the belly when me tell him for dash it, she never dash it. So the belly grow right here. Sean. Your niece you treat like my piece of shit. And all if I never your niece you cannot treat people like that. One more thing before we reach to the destination. Puppy Dan, thank you for being a good friend. Also, you see me? Also, Alia, thank you for believing in me. And me also sorry for tell you for dash you the belly.
No, yourself, good man, me always gonna
My daughter, you're a strong one. But anyhow, you know, say since me oversee me work a virgin, Powell's Wellness, Nelsia's Natural Herb, and me and him in some business, and he might give me 30-40% of the business. So now me paperwork them up and me can fly in and fly out. You see my 30-40%, and you have to run that business meanwhile. Me there, black and forth
bossy man.
in a foreign.
Big up yourself,
You see me? I am my sister, me not make running, but I realize that she not ready.
True.
Also, yours.
Father.
Who is this?
Your beautiful
That's
daughter.
Shan, my daughter. And who is this?
Red eye pink.
You ready the pink?
Yeah,
Very cool.
red eye pink.
And also, this is mine. So, my daughter, me ask you a question. I want you to tell me the truth. What Chelsea do you?
I'm afraid to talk.
Omar, I'm not gonna tell her no lie. Chelsea, been a spitting of food and a spitting of things and I put me in a sun for stand up for me.
Is that so?
Yeah, and the day when Puppy done come over here, she pretend, and when she come up the stairs, me drop asleep and she throw water for me in
So
her
all
chair.
them days, Shana, you know me long time, you know say nothing to me.
Yeah, but me didn't want to work for take care of mother.
Alright, you are going. It's like how you are the boss right now. Why you employ my sister while your auntie. So the only way she can stay here, if she want to remain to stay here, and maybe we can think about it for give her. Why you give her the same work what you used to do. You see me? A matter of fact, if you want to treat him like how he used to treat you, you can't treat him. But if you think about it, you're not that type of person. So my sister, a matter of fact, you see how you used to treat this little girl, the maid. If you want to stay here and remain staying here, just like how you treat her, a matter of fact, give her it. And you see, just like how she used to treat you, if you want to treat her that way, treat her that way. A matter of fact, you don't grow that way. Put it upon her. Meanwhile, you are the new maid. We have to see if we can forgive you.
My brother, no. No. Me sorry. Me sorry, my brother, me sorry. Me no know say my niece. Sean, me sorry.
Whether you know or not, you should
Me no know.
treat people like that.
My brother, me no know say my niece, my brother. Me no know. Sean, me no know. Sean, me no know say my niece. Me no know. Me sorry, my brother. Me sorry. Me sorry.
No matter
sorry,
you
my
not
brother.
treat
Me
people
sorry.
like that, my sister.
Me sorry, Sean. Me sorry. Me sorry.
Me sorry, Sean, me sorry. My brother, me no know. Me no know, my brother, me no know.
Yes, auntie. And no, auntie, and no, auntie, me won't do that. Auntie, and no me pooping at the hall. And no, auntie. Auntie, you're so unfair. You know, say I want unfair, auntie. I can't bother this woman, you know. Watch on man, one coloring book, you make it to the end and you see a movie in name Unfair Auntie. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me what could I do better. What you like, what you don't like. And remember, share it. You see me? And a movie up on Wrld TV. Big up all our fans, them, local and international. Puppy and Tibi. You see me? Alia, Shan, Chelsea, the whole team. And remember, Nelsia's Natural Herb. You see me? Link up. And that's Sav. Dunsville River across from a total gas station. And one more thing, my fans them. You see a little problem here bother me and not also me. Quite the fans, quite the actress and the actor them. You see me? Here what I go on now. I don't rate the actor them and I don't rate the actress them. Everybody have them personal, different fans from different channels. But I talk about me personal. You see me? Here what I go on, man. When you put the number upon the screen, you see me? You cannot take off the number and a call with on video call, regular call, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the night. Remember, you know, we have a personal life. You know, when you're not in the movie, we have a personal life. We have a personal life. Remember, this number is not a commercial number, it's a business number. So if you don't call us as a fans, you see me, just call us and heal us up. Sometimes you call when we are shoot and we are telling us we are shoot. Less than 2 minutes, 3 minutes, we call you back and ask you if you don't shoot. Please, we are trying to be professional. Because you are the fans that make we there where we're there right now. You know support you, but also you have to give you some space. You see me? Be professional, not unprofessional. And one more thing, big up all our fans, them loyal fans, local and international, one coloring book room.